Alright, I'm going to do a video on my Oru Bruin camper and how I built it out. So I like to keep it empty on a day-to-day use. So I had to do a modular kind of build. So here's some of that. So I used some plywood as a base. I traced out the floor of the truck bed and got some plywood, and we just got some carpet on there. I used this carpet right here. This adhesive carpet, just peel and stick. Pretty straightforward. So I'll show how I put that in there. And then I have kids, so I figure the bottom of the camper could be for the kids. So that's a platform for a crib size mattress, and then a bench right there. And here's all my bins that I carry along with me when I go on trips, and the fridge and the power supply. Alright, I'll open up the camper right now, which I secure them all with these master locks, but you can use little carabiner clips or whatever you have. So alright, I'll get it popped up and then show you how I put everything in there pretty quick. Alright, with the top popped up and the upper platform retracted, let's go ahead and put in the build out in there. So I used some sheathing for the base floor, these carpet tiles on there. So it's easiest if you go in here at an angle like that. The second one is a tighter squeeze. I need to trim it down a little bit, but I'm going to go in at an angle, and it should drop right in. Like I said, tight squeeze. Alright, now we'll get the bed platform for the kids put in there. So it's a little more tricky. This is just basic 2x4 construction. Pocket holes. Nothing fancy at all. And I built it so that the legs of the bed platform fit directly between the wheel wells. I'm going to put these furniture brackets on there. So this links the bench to the bed. Okay. Alright, now I'll put the bins in there. I have a bin for kitchen supplies, camp kitchen, snacks, bread, chips, crackers, meat sticks, whatever. A bin for more camping supplies, like a propane heater, sink, stove. This fits in here, just like that. A little bit for clothes. There's the power supply. And the fridge, which is an ice code AP50. Pretty good. And I also have this net that I put on with Velcro. Let's see what's the bottom side. Top side. Alright, let's put it in there. Alright, it's all set up now, so let's go take a overview of the layout. So here's how it looks from the outside on the truck. Now let's go inside. So this is all magnetic here, bug net. There we go, good enough for now. So, got the fridge, the Iceco JP50. Best bang for your buck in my opinion. The windows open with the vent going. There's a bench. Same height as the crib mattress for the kids. And there's a power supply down here. So I have a 200 watt panel up top, and it's a cloudy day, and currently I'm pulling in 82 watts. So not too bad. And here's the bin storage. Got bins there, bins there. Here's the upper platform retracted. Got the queen size memory foam mattress. And I'm 6'4" with plenty of headroom in here, so pretty nice. Oh, nice and simple. Kept it easy to set up and easy to break down. All modular. Carpeted flooring in here. So, alright. See you guys.